Today I'm going to show you how you can hook up your 5.1 speaker system to any device that has a headphone jack, which normally you cannot do because of the fact that 5.1 speaker systems have 3 plugs that need to go in. And to do this, all you need is this little adapter here and your RCA red, white cables and the headphone jack on the other end. And typically with all 5.1 speaker systems, you have your 5 outputs to your speakers and then your output or your audio input cord, which the green, black, and orange is your input cord. So that hooks up to the side, and all you really have to do is hook this cord up to the adapter on one end, which I will do right now, and then you have to hook up the red, white, and the red and whites to the other end of the adapter. So let me do that real quick. And I will have links in the description below of where you can buy the adapter and the RCA cord, which they're pretty cheap, so it's pretty nice. And there you go, you have your, you can now plug it into the headphone jack. Now keep in mind that this is not going to be true surround sound because of the fact that you need all 3 of them to plug into your input device in order to have true surround sound. But what this does is it evens out the audio between all 5 speakers, and it's really nice because of the fact that if you tried plugging one of the cables into your device, it wouldn't work, or it would, but it wouldn't sound good. It would only come through 2 speakers. Or if you have a speaker system with matrix mode, it wouldn't sound as good. So I will show you that it evenly, or I'll try to show you that it evenly distributes the sound through all 5. So. Hold on one second.
Aren't you something to admire? 'Cause you show me something like a mirror. I can't help but notice you reflect inside of mine. If you ever...
And there you have it. The audio distributes evenly through all 5 speakers, and you don't have to buy anything expensive. All you have to buy are those 2 things, and that's pretty much it. Thanks.